Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am crocheting puff flower. Beginners can also make it very easily. Choose yarn color and hook size according to your preferences. I am using blue color for petals and 3.5 mm hook size. I am also using these small size scissors to cut the ends.
Now start with slip knot like this. Once slip knot is complete, make 5 chain stitches. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now put a slip stitch into the very first chain stitch. Insert the hook and yarn over. Then pull the yarn through the last stitch. Now we get a circle. For round 1, start with 1 chain stitch. We are going to make 12 single crochet. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull up. Now you have 2 loops. Again yarn over, pull through both. We got our first single crochet. We are going to mark first crochet. Again insert the hook, yarn over and pull up. Again yarn over and pull through both loops. Repeat this for 10 more times. Now at the end we get 12 single crochet. To end the round 1, just slip stitch into the first stitch like this. Before we start round 2, pull the end to reduce the center gap like this. Now let's start round 2. For round 2, start with 4 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the first stitch. Yarn over, pull it up to the chain 4. Again yarn over and pull it through the first 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert into the same stitch, yarn over and pull it up. Again yarn over and pull it through the first 2 loops. Repeat this process one more time. Again yarn over. Now insert the hook into the second stitch, yarn over and pull it up. Again yarn over and pull it through the first 2 loops. Repeat this into the same stitch for 2 more times. Now we get 7 loops. Yarn over and pull it through the first 6 loops. Again yarn over and pull it through the last 2 loops like this. Next make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2 and 3, and just slip stitch into the second stitch like this. Our first petal is complete. We have to repeat this process for 5 more times. I will show you making one more petal. This is our sixth petal, 3 chain and slip stitch into the last single crochet. Now one chain stitch to end the work. Now adjust the ends at the opposite sides like this. Now just knot the two ends like this. And cut the extra part. Now let's make the center part. For center part, I'm using pink color yarn and 2 mm hook size. You can choose whatever color you like. Start with slip knot, then 4 chain stitches like this. slip stitch into the first chain. Now make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over and insert the hook between the circle. Like this, yarn over and pull up. Again yarn over and pull it through the first 2 loops. Repeat this process for 6 more times. Now we have 8 loops. Yarn over and pull it through the first 7 loops. Again yarn over and pull it through the last 2 loops. Now 3 chain stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Slip stitch. And 1 chain to end the work. Cut the end. Now attach center part to petals like this. And tie the knot. Cut the extra part. Here our puff flower is complete. Thank you for watching.